Что-нибудь, мама. Бабиша.
Huh? The most dangerous animal on this planet.
Woody.
Mimi.
Yeah.
Hi there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that. Oh.
So this is my cat. His name is... Really?
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little... Ah! Fuck you!
How you doing? What are you... Ow!
Chịu đâu? Chịu đâu?
She's scared.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh!
Yuya? Yuya? I think you got shot.
3, 2, 1. Who wins? Oh!
Sure, she was so innocent.
Let's just say I've got a couple of twigs up my sleeve.
Bro, I can't even take a deuce in peas, bro.
No, I need that. The whole bath. Oh my god! Stop!
This motherfucker. God damn it!
Oh. What is it? Oh my goodness. Sir, you can come in if you really want, but I don't think you really want to be in here. I'm taking a shower.
I'm so hungry I could eat a cat. An orange cat.
The door is open. You don't have to do this. It's open.
Hello.
I want you to tell TikTok what you just did.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Hey, what did you do to your ears? Stop. No.